Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started standing up. Relax your arms down to your sides, close your eyes, and let's just take some deep breaths in and out through the nose. Sweep your arms overhead, reaching up for mountain pose. Let's take a big inhale in through the nose. Exhale, forward fold. Reach for your yoga mat. And let's just hang out here for a minute, just breathing. Relaxing all of your muscles. And we slowly start to roll up. Your head is the last thing to come up. Again, let's sweep the arms up, overhead, reaching up. Take a big inhale in through the nose. Exhale, forward fold. Let's open our legs a little bit. Bend your right knee while you keep your left leg straight. Feeling a little stretch here. And now bend your left knee, keeping that right leg straight. Let's bend that right knee again, this time extending our left arm up towards the ceiling, really opening the chest, looking up, reaching up, and we switch sides. Relax your right arm back down into your forward fold. Come into your halfway lift, lengthening your spine. Hands are on your shins. And we come into a tabletop position on our hands and knees. Make your way into your cow pose, looking up, arching the back. And we come into our cat pose, rounding the spine, pressing the mat away. Again, cow pose, look up, shine your chest forward. And cat pose. Let's do that one more time. You can go at your own pace. From here, we slowly lower down onto our bellies, coming into our Sphinx pose. Your forearms are parallel. Your shoulders are right on top of the elbows. Let's drop our head down and bring our left ear to our left shoulder. And now right ear to right shoulder. Again, left ear to left shoulder. And right ear to right shoulder. Bring your head back to center. You can look up as you slowly start to press into the palms, straightening the arms. Maybe you drop the head back a little bit. And make your way back into your Sphinx pose. Now let's make our way into an upward facing dog, framing our chest with our hands and pressing into our palms, straightening the arms, dropping the head back. Relaxing the lower body here. And we come back into our tabletop position. Extend your right leg behind you. Keep it straight. Let's flex the right foot, and we point. Step your right foot forward for your low crescent lunge, so that front knee is stacked on top of the ankle. You can keep your hands down on the mat, or you can place your hands on top of your thigh or your right knee. You can also extend the arms up towards the ceiling. Make sure you relax your shoulders if you're going to choose this option. And continue to pull your right hip back so that the hips are in line. Make your way back into your tabletop position. Now let's extend our left leg behind us. Flex the left foot. And now we point. Step that left foot forward for your low crescent lunge. And remember, you can take any option that you choose to with the arms. Just make sure you are pulling that left hip back, sinking deep into the hips, engaging the core. And we make our way back into our tabletop position. Let's come into our cat pose, rounding our spine, pulling the chin in towards the chest. And cow pose, arch your back, look up at the ceiling. Again, cat pose, round your spine. And cow pose. From here, let's swing our legs around in front of us and have a seat on our glutes with our legs straight out in front of us. And you can shake the legs out if you need to. Flex your feet. Extend your arms up towards the ceiling. And forward fold. Relax your upper body. And we slowly rise back up, dropping our head back. And now bringing our right ear to the right shoulder. And now drop your head forward. Left ear to left shoulder. And drop your head back. And now this time, let's bring our left ear to our left shoulder. Drop your head forward. Right ear to right shoulder. And drop your head back. Let's bring our wrists together in front of us and just take some circles with the hands and the wrist in one direction. And now switch directions. Place your hands on your shoulders, elbows are wide, and you just start to take some circles to the back of the room. Really big circles, take your time. And switch directions. Let's reach up one more time and forward fold, keeping those feet flexed. Slowly make your way onto your back, coming into your waterfall pose. So extending both legs up towards the ceiling. Flex your feet as you grab behind your legs, pulling your legs a little bit closer towards you. Feeling a deep stretch behind the legs. And now we open up for our happy baby posture. And just start to bend and straighten the legs here. Taking a little movement. Let's come into our final pose, our butterfly. Bringing the soles of your feet together. Take a big inhale in through the nose. Let it out through your mouth. One more time, big inhale in through the nose. And sigh it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more classes. I'll see you in the next one.